Hello, I am Sai Prasad Gundeti, Senior Embryologist at Malpani Infertility Clinic. In this video, I will be talking about chromosomal abnormality or chromosomal disorder. So what exactly is chromosomal abnormality? Human embryos contains 46 chromosomes. These are basically 23 pairs of chromosomes, 23 from the egg, that is from the mother, and 23 from the sperm, that is from the father. Any kind of abnormality seen in this 46 chromosomes is called chromosomal abnormality. Chromosomal abnormality can either be numerical or structural. In numerical chromosomal abnormality, either there will be less number of chromosomes, that is either a chromosome will be missing or there will be more chromosomes. There will be an extra chromosome present. In structural chromosomal abnormality, the structure of the chromosome will be altered in certain way. In IVF treatment, when we do PGS, that is pre-implantation genetic screening, or it is also called as PGT, pre-implantation genetic testing, we are basically checking the embryo for any chromosomal abnormality. If there is any chromosomal abnormality present in the embryo, it is called aneuploidy. So you are basically screening the embryos for aneuploidy. Now, what are the types of aneuploidies or chromosomal abnormality? The first type of aneuploidy is nullisomy. Nullisomy occurs when a particular chromosome is completely missing. Nullisomic embryos usually do not survive till birth, and such embryos get miscarried at some stage during the pregnancy. The second type of chromosomal abnormality or aneuploidy is monosomy. Monosomy occurs when a chromosome lacks its homologue, which means it lacks its partner. So instead of two copies of chromosomes, there will be only one copy of chromosome present. The third type of chromosomal abnormality or aneuploidy is trisomy. Trisomy occurs when there is an extra copy of chromosome. So instead of two chromosomes, there will be three chromosomes in a particular chromosome number. The most commonly seen trisomy is trisomy 21, which is also called as Down syndrome. This extra copy of chromosome leads to developmental changes, and people with Down syndrome usually have distinct and different kind of characteristics. The fourth type of aneuploidy or chromosomal abnormality is tetrasomy. In tetrasomy, there will be 4 copies of chromosome. So instead of 2 copies, there will be 4 copies present. Tetrasomy is usually seen very rarely. In IVF treatment, when we do pre-implantation genetic testing, we are basically screening the embryo for aneuploidy. So we are basically checking whether the embryo has any chromosomal abnormality present in it or not, so that we can avoid transferring such abnormal embryos. In order to do PGT, that is pre-implantation genetic testing, we need to remove 3 to 4 cells from day 5 embryo, that is blastocyst stage embryos, and this procedure is called embryo biopsy. So in embryo biopsy, we remove 3 to 4 cells of trophectoderm of blastocyst, and these biopsied cells are sent to genetic lab for screening. In genetic lab, these biopsied cells are screened for chromosomal abnormality by using array CGH, that is comparative genome hybridization, or NGS, that is next generation sequencing. The genetic lab usually takes 3 to 4 days to give us the results. So in that case, we freeze all the embryos after the biopsy, and we freeze these embryos individually, means we freeze single blastocyst on each cryolog, so that we exactly know as to which embryo is there in which cryolog. And when we get the results from the genetic lab, we exactly know which embryos are normal and which are aneuploid, means which embryos have chromosomal abnormality present in them. Later, when we do frozen embryo transfer, that is FET, we thaw only those embryos which are normal and transfer them to patient's uterus, and the ones which are abnormal, which are aneuploid, we just discard those embryos. If you have any queries, please contact us at info@drmalpani.com. You can visit our website www.drmalpani.com, or you can even contact us on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description. Thank you.